Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is March the 2nd, 2022. We're going to talk about Binance Coin today. We're going to see whether or not this market is geared for higher prices, because you guys can see on the chart right now that I was playing the weakness on my last video for Binance. Today, the market has gone down somewhat. It wasn't massive as what I originally intended, but still, the market did go lower. I'm going to talk about that first, and then we're going to show you what I expect the market to do in Binance going forward. Welcome. Yeah, this is what I do. I do the price predictions without the confusion. I look at price bars and volume to determine what the market is really trying to go, so that we can see and understand how to get positioned and win as well with everyone else. So if you guys want to join me, hit the like button, keep it locked in here, share the video, subscribe to the channel, tap that bell notification, because I'm gonna keep it real. You guys do not want to miss out on these price moves. The way that we can be profitable is being ahead of the game, is being ahead of everyone else before the market even moves to these price levels, so that we can't just wait and be ready for when the market hits our price target. We can literally grab the bag. So let's go ahead and see what I expect the market to do in Binance going forward. You guys can see that right here on January the 23rd was when I did a video in Binance. I was playing the weakness then, and you guys can see that, yeah, price has gone down, namely on this day right here. You guys can see that Binance dipped all the way down here to like $320. I extended this line out back on that video, telling you all that the market could literally come down to this particular level and start to bounce from there. So you may need it to grab the bag there, which is around 15% movement to the downside to where the price was back here on the 23rd of January. That was the only opportunity we've seen so far. Since that time, the price in Binance has gone up in price. So let me go ahead and get rid of this. If you guys wasn't able to get the 15% out the market, you were to get out now, yeah, you're down about 10%. Okay, so let's go ahead and refresh this. Let's go ahead and get back in position to see what the market is trying to do. All right, so let's see this. Now, look at this price chart, right? Can you tell whether or not this market in Binance is in a downtrend? Can you tell that? Or can you tell whether or not the market in Binance is actually trying to break outside of this downtrend? Because if that's going to be the case, then we need to start thinking about being stability. Like, the market needs to be more, it's going to give us more stability in the sense of us trading sideways, right? This downtrend looks to try to be broken. Basically, what's been going on since the month of January, going to February, and now the month of March. We have to keep our eyes open on that, because if so, we don't have too much to worry about. Like, the downtrend is going to be concluded and completed for the time being, especially if we continue to see this market do this. So we need to be on the lookout for that as we go throughout the month of March going into April, okay? Because right now, yes, it does look as if the price in Binance is trying to break this trend. So let's look at the market in Binance on a longer term basis first, okay? Because many people may think that we're done with the price in Binance going down. Just like what happened right here on this 2-weekly price bar, we're getting the same type of idea right here. So you guys can see the result as to what happened following this 2-weekly price bar on September the 13th, 2021. The next 2 weeks, the market went up. Look at this one. We're getting the same type of price action. Do you think this price in Binance is going to continue to uplift from here, just like it did in October of last year? Or do you think we're going to continue to go lower? Let's look at Binance on the monthly time frame. Look what happened last month. Okay, look what happened last month. The market was able to close higher than the previous month's close. So basically, what this monthly price bar is telling us is that the buyers has overcame the weakness, meaning the sellers. They were able to outdo them. The sellers tried throughout the month of February to try to push the price down, try to break price below 320, but in the end, at the conclusion of February's price action, the market was able to close higher than the previous month, which tells us that the buyers actually edged out the sellers. Yeah. So that's a good thing to take note of in order for us to see some uplift into price for Binance. What do you think about this one? Got 4 days and 13 hours left. But generally, what I'm showing you all on these long-term basis is that, yeah, the market has been selling in Binance. Like, let's keep it real. People were trying to offload their Binance coins into the market, but there were willing participants who were able to buy up those who were trying to sell, because this price is closing higher than the previous weekly price bars. This is what this entails. This is what this means. So let me show you all what we got on the 3-day. Okay. So the last couple of 3-day price bars, yes, we've seen this market has been literally mixed, meaning the buyers have been trying to win and the sellers has been trying to win. Like, the sellers is trying to push the price down. The buyers are not trying to let that happen. And so far, the buyers look like they're winning. My only issue is $440. Yeah, that's the next hurdle that the buyers will have to overcome in order for this price to continue to go exceedingly higher. 440. This is Binance on the 2-day. So the last couple of 2-day price bars is where we're seeing the strength. We're seeing strength here, and then we're seeing strength here. But the only issue on this last 2-day price bar is the high was around 420, but the market closed off of the highs, which means that there's still some people in the market in Binance selling. So let me show you the hourly time frame, and then I'm going to drop a price prediction to show you where I think the price is headed. Okay, so you guys can see that this is the hourly time frame. This is the 11-hour price bars, and so far, even with the selling that came in here, the selling that came in on this 11-hour price bar, the market was still able to keep itself elevated. It didn't have any negative impact on pushing Binance price down like it did here. So what we're getting is that this market is still trying to go up. Now, don't forget, I said $440 is going to be a problem and an issue for Binance to see price really go higher. Now, let's see this on 15 hours. Okay. And even again, this 15-hour price bar is indicative of people trying to get out their position. They're trying to sell their Binance. But look at the following 15-hour price bars. Price is not dropping. So the market is buying up Binance. This is what I'm showing you all. And when you get this type of idea, once you see this information, you know where to go. We need to play the strength into the market in Binance, right? Now, you guys can see that we got a problem. I want to show you. The last couple of times the market in Binance tried to break above $434, $435, we ran across issues. Price came back down. So I'm here to tell you today, right now, if we see that same type of price action, we need to just take the 5% and be happy with the profit. Yeah, this is not the opportunity to be greedy, because we saw the last time we came up here towards $434, price came right back down. So it looked like we're about to embark on that level again, and we still see selling. If the market seems as if it's getting rejected and is not trying to break up above 434, guess what? Run it, let it go. Okay, so let me show you what we got on a daily time frame, because I am playing the strength here into the market in Binance. It's going to be like $434, $440. Okay, that's only 6.5% profitability. All right, that's it. Now, if we're able to really get some strength out the market in Binance, the next level is going to be like 450. That's about it. Okay. Now, as long as the market in Binance is able to hold 360, yeah, we need to play some strength here in this particular space. And I'm not going to be massively bullish right now. I mean, we have to consider all of this trading price action that we've gone through already. Okay, it's like a massive wall that the market is trying to chip away in order for us to really see a monumental explosive movement higher. I don't see that yet, so I'm just going to play this small movement higher in price in Binance. You guys got my price targets. I've told you that I was looking for the market to go to 434, 440 first, then the second level is going to be like 450 to $455. All right, so this is it. Maybe not be much, but hey, we need to get prepared, right? So now it's your turn. I want you all to drop me a comment real quick and tell me what is your price target? What is your price prediction for Binance as we go throughout the month of March? And that's it. All right. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.